Mesh JTV, Kaizer Chiefs 2, AmaZulu 2, Mahai Sigalela. Ibone kanjani game?
No. Mutumele, first of all, we need to thank the channel Mayday TV being present for us as supporters, and more especially in KZN, since we know with us now my channels are money, but this is an opportunity for everyone who took off it out about the game. Game was a game of, it was not a game of two halves, in fact. The dominance beware Amazulu. Let us be honest. They came gun blazing with the system one. I think you never need confidence to say nzoba atheka kanjani baxinene kanjani vele ngeke angayenzi i-homework about Kaizer Chiefs uzwana usuka kuyona. So uyafuna futhi nokuyiveza ukuthi yena ungcono kunonabi since axoshwa kwi-Chiefs. But all in all is that i-Chiefs mfethu i-confused. I don't know ngempela ukuthi yini efuna ukuyenza because ama-cups ayikho, emagamini ayikho. So ipower ye-Kaizer Chiefs istrength sayo kahle hle angasiboni mina. Mhlawumbe omunye uyasibona ukuthi strong la, ayikho strong la, because fakile laba bantu abafakile abasha forward, they going forward, but only to find ukuthi abenzi exactly ngokama expectations ethu. Yabona uMorris uyena umuntu ongathi udlala into ebalekile ukuthi maqhamuka ibhola alishaye uma ukuthi uyi-striker or else aphasa ibhola, but lo munye wesibili uyaphasa one way, phasa ngisho sekumele akhahlela akahleli uyaphasa. So angazi babe kuthatha ukuthi ukhahlelela inet lo muntu uyi-creator nje ne-runner, i-winger nje iranelayo i-create amabhola. That's it, lokho kuphela engakusho ngaye ngikubonile kubalekile. At least sine-winger ngasho kanjalo then strike.
In terms of standard mhlambe besinyuke kakhulu over a weekend, what maybe do you think is a cause ukuthi this game, because we can see ukuthi iKaizer yange weekend neKaizer namhlanje ibingafani kangako from the weekend to igame namhlanje?
Now to be honest singasho ukuthi ibingafani phela. Remember sibe nama substitute from the beginning, amangaka ama position abe replaced no four people abasha. So kuma positions abaqala igame, abanye abajwayele ukuqala igame like Frosler, yibo Morrison, uyena lo Mthithu Lilepo, you understand, uPulemont abaqala ama game most of the time abajita la bangena as ama substitute. So uma ubheka ukuthi baqala igame already sekwenywe formation isizoba different than igame ya Saturday. Futhi igame ya Saturday kumele understand i-Chiefs nje idabi isuke i-world marketing game. So bayazi ukuthi babukwa umhlaba wonke, ababukwa only eSouth Africa. That is why nama-spectators ayathanda ukuyoba ingxenye yaleyo game ngoba i-game enesasasa elikhulu kabi. So uma udlale kwidabi kangcono futhi nakuyibafana uyibekela indawo. Lawa amanye ama-game, understand, due to i-competition noma i-competitive game isuke ingekho that much. So ingakho nama-scouting awahambeli lawo ma-game kakhulukazi. Ama-game awabhekayo idabi namanye-ke makuthiwa kudlala nalabo 57 supporters okuyi-Sundowns, wona ama-game-ke sesiwabheke-ke la.
Iwindi livalile manje, would you say in terms of ama-signings alethwe iKaizer Chiefs, in terms of ukwa-rate maybe out of 10 ukuthi laba abadlali abangenile ubona ukuthi bathenge ngokwanele or basebedinga ukuqinisa more, or ungilibona kanjani iwindi leKaizer Chiefs?
Let us be honest, i-Chiefs ayithenganga player. They never sign any player, to be honest. There's no player that has been signed. No player at all, because Morris wevele phelelwa i-contract with SuperSport and we're under 6 months besenelungelo entitled ukuthi ayimuvele. Ushilo uMatthews ukuthi bekumele ayimuvele yena ayele kwi-Chiefs, kodwa being an honest player umconsultile na umtshela ukuthi uzo i-Chiefs ikhuluma kanje double kusho ukuthi besafuna ukuhlala kwi-SuperSport mawukuthi ebiyithi thasi imali yakhe bezoyinika Chiefs, washo ukuthi i-Chiefs ikhokha idouble asalisemthatha. Ulilepo uyena samtholile mubeka ucele naye i-contract uyi-free agent asikathenge player. So kusho ukuthi kulo 81 million ebesithi sinawo ukuthenga ama-players asikaze sisebenzisele, kusho ukuthi ulilepo kuphela u9 million sisebenza ku-80. Mina I don't believe exactly ukuthi i-Chiefs inawo lo 80. I think maybe it's a blank check or it's just a marketing standard, because uma ino 80 ngisho umdlali ka 20 million ebingamthenga, why not i-Sundowns ikwazi ukulanda 51 million? why not u-8 ungaye kanjani ukulanda u-20 abawu-2 abawu-3? No, I don't think so. I-Chiefs kumele ibe out kuthina isitshele ukuthi yes ama-team ayadura thina sisa-afford. Le nto eyisho omunye angisazi ukuthi ubani wayesho ukuthi i-Chiefs oyi-legend ye-Chiefs ukuthi i-Chiefs uma ingaphumela obala ihambe ifuna umuntu onemali ngempela athenge noma u-50% or u-40% wama-shares, ingakwazi ukubuyela back emarket kuma-market iyothenga ama-players accurate, not le nto yokuthi njalo sikhiphe u-8 le nto i-raise the false hope and i-damage isithunzi seqembu. And okwesibili i-Chiefs siyacela basihloniphe abaphathi beqembu, siyacela ngempela le nto mase kuyiwa kwi-signing siyabona oMaZulu basayina nga-4 nga-3 thina sayinani o-goalkeeper sisabagcineleli labo goalkeeper, you know, o-goalkeeper usho ukuthi yona quality esinabo sibheke in-future phela i-Chiefs yona e-producer for iBafana uWilliams manje is limping, then ubani ozo-replace uWilliams, uRonnie Williams from Isanders akekho, kusho ukuthi i-future yeBafana ikhona ayikho. Let's be honest.
Yeah, so last question in terms of coach ukuthi i-application yakhe for this game starting 11 and ama substitutes akhe, comment yakho ngalokho?
No, starting 11 sakhe sibe uyabo kumina sibe surprising because bengilendela abadlali laba bengakabona uMorrison beqala ama-game ngithi bekunabadlali abadala vele mawuzovela ubafake baqala uchaza ukuthi ubukade ungenabo abadlali kulawo ma-position, vele lento izokwenza i-division amongst iqembu because kunabadlali ebebedlala manje sebezonyiswa. Kusho ukuthi vele i-team is not numbers that are playing in a game of football, but i-team abantu abakhiwe baba nomqondo owodwa abane-vision to conquer something, but they are working out versus something kune-goal abafuna ukuyi-achieve. So ukwakha i-team kusazosibiza uhambo olude because labadlali labo samele bafunde ukuzimela bebona, bathandwe noma baphaselwe noma ngoba uma ubheka lapha akekho umdlali phambili obephasele omunye for i-through ball. They were not through ball. Lamabhola lawana akhathi nje aqhamuka yabona ama-Cavs besidlala namabhola engena option ebeseshaya ibhola, alikho ibhola le-Chiefs kuthiwa kuwashaya i-through ball. Hlazane babumba ngathi one day I said Kaizer Chiefs yolanda mina ngiyikhoche ngalelo langa leyo yophumela, namanje ngisamile emagameni ami ngangisho kusekhona uJohnson, namanje ngisasho ukuthi ngingamsiza ucoach Nabi to build i-momentum ne-spirit se-team is not to split akeye kakhulu abadlali ukuthi mawuthenga umuntu manje umfake manje lo mfana lo kuthiwa uThabo Cele ngiyamazi mina edlala la. uThabo Cele siyamsupporta from Kaizer Chiefs, big player, siyamhlonipha and siyabona ama-touches akhe kodwa ubonile ukuthi umoya uyaphela, samele basebenze kuyena. Awukwazi ukuthi umuntu osamele asentshenzwe wena umthathe umfake egamini aqale ngayo igame uphinda azosho yena ukhethe uphelele umoya umkhipha uphelele umoya. There's something wrong indeed.
Then Friday Stellenbosch going to that game ucanga ukuthi izohamba kanjani?
Stellenbosch asinayo game plan, let us be honest. Stellenbosch iMagesi FC into eyodwa le, lababhola those guys baya phambili bayagijima, kuzoba igame enzima ngoba kwi-PSL ayikho igame ekwazi ukumelana nespeed amabhola, futhi thina i-defense yethu ayikho strong enough to run, abakwazi ukurana. Ngiyacela yabona lo muntu onikeza laba obekade enza match fitness yoMiguel wherever they coming from akenze ilokhu ngane ngempela kubuya ngathi bebedla opowder laba suka khona. Awukwazi ukusinda umzimba ungenawo umzimba, thina sikubona ufit kodwa awukwazi ukugijima and uyasibona isifuba ukuthi siyavaleka. Uma ukuthi ubekade esebenzisa izinto ayisebenzayo bamclean egazini aqale phansi abe umdlala bese uzokwazi ukumelana neGame because lama-team onke asi-attack-a ngepace, awusi-attack ngalutho, asi-attack-a ngepace mase kuziwa ku-backline and ayawina. Ubani that is why ngithi mina i-Chiefs mfethu kunayo i-game plan yayo, ngiyayazi i-Chiefs ukuthi ingawina uma kwenze njani. Le idlalayo angeke isize ngisho ngathi uyinika i-Richards Bay FC ngeke izilibone idlalayo noma uyinika bani ngeke ilibone i-Chiefs, but siyayisupporta sisemva kwayo Darko Blue. Futhi ikhosi kavele mfethu aliphela umoya ngoba ikhosi for life is not ukuthi always and what no. Ayikho into ya always, ulife okhona empilweni, khosi for life.
Match Day TV siyabonga kakhulu futhi.
Siyabonga Match Day, but khona ngifisa nje ukudlulisa mfethu ukudabuka khosi fans and families ngokushiwa uLulu umzimba ngoba ngibona ngifaka upowder nje ngangifaka uyena sihamba nayo. Masihamba nayo besifakela uPaul masebuka ama-game. Sign of respect today since sithole indaba zokuthi akasekho emhlabeni. uLulu alale kahle. Kodwa engicelayo ngicela wonke ama-supporter South Africa, not i-Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, ayikho igame bengayihambi, ngisho eBafana beyihambe, ecricket beyihamba. Siyacela ukuthi basupport ifamily kulesikhathi samanje. Nokuyobekwa komzimba wakhe bafethu sibe khona siyomhlonipha njengeqhawe lala eMzansi esilazi kudala lingakhethi ama-game lihambela wonke ama-provinces. uLulu nginemfihlo eyisimanga yakhe ethi bengeke ngimfonele angitshela ukuthi mfethu, uma kukhona umuzi okhona lapha eDurban umuntu ofuna ukuplastela umuzi noma ofuna ukupenda iroof, ngicela ungithinte mfethu, ngifuna imali yokuya eKapa ngiyobuka iBafana iyadlala. That guy was trying by all means enza noma yini athi ngifuna ukuthunga icathulo, ngithungele umuntu icathulo ukuze ngithole imali kusasa igame iyadlala. Khuluma into yakusasa. Kusasa ngizomuza sethu sese-airport noma uthatha ibhasi uye PE, uthatha ibhasi uze eDurban. So lo muntu beyiphandela. So uma enjalo ke uyadinga ukuhlonishwa iphashini yakhe. Sangathi banganda abalandela abanjalo. Abantu abaningi badlalela sebesupportela imali, bafuna ukuvela ko TV. uLulu bengasupportela imali. Futhi kukambalwa umuze commenta kuma channels. Umuntu osupport ibhola, bombiza wena uthi Ludoza la sikhuluma. Futhi uthola ukuthi akanazi isikhathi. Umuntu ohloniphayo, ongaphoxa umuntu, ongenzi lutho, ocula noma yipi ingoma akayikhethi. Uma usufikile ku welcome as if ngathi nivuke naye ehotela, ngathi kade nifike ngebhasi elilodwa kanti nihlangana stadium. So Kaizer Chiefs ayenze ubulungiswa ke njenge team yakhe. Mfethu siyacela ukuthi ifake izandla emndenini kaLulu. Awucelanga umndeni, kodwa thina siyama-supporters e-Kaizer Chiefs, sihambe kakhulu naye. Kuningi ukumlahlekela nge-Chiefs. Impilo yakhe nokugula kumqala esuka estadium emva kokushaya. Bafethu, PSL ayenze ubulungiswa ngo-referee bethu. Yabo angisho ukuthi ngithini, kodwa ukushaya kwethu iPirates waqala uLulu wagula. Leyo nto leyo ngempela izosifaka ey'bhedlela, abanye abantu bazolahlekelwa izimpilo. Kunabantu manje ababheja ngamakhosi zabo balahlekelwa imisebenzi, balahlekelwa yonke through o-referee bamesha igame. Asikho isidingo sokumosha ama-game, asikho isidingo ukuyiphoyisela, akusukudayiswa ama-game. Sibhekile. We are watching you guys.
Siyabonga kakhulu bhuti.
Bonga thina kakhulu, nibe nosuku oluhle. Bafethu qhubeka nishumayela ivangeli lesport. Siyasithanda isport kakhulu. Siyabonga.